Yeah. You know what? I like the players. No diggity, no doubt. Play on, play it. Play on, play it. Yo, Dre, drop the verse.
It's going down, fades of Black Street. The homies got at me, collab creations. Bump like agony, no doubt. I put it down, never slouch. As long as my credit can vouch, a dog couldn't catch me. Say out. Tell me who could stop with Dre making moves, attracting honeys like a magnet, giving them orgasms with my mellow accent. Still moving this flavor with the homies Black Street and Teddy, the original rough shakers.
Shorty get down, good lord. Baby got them open all over town. Strictly bitch, you don't play around. Cover much grounds, got game by the town. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True play away, I can't get her out of my mind.
Wow.
I think about the girl all the time.
Wow, wow.
East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, it's on when she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I wanna get in. Can I get down so I can win? I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
Bag it up.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
Bag it up, girl.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
Bag it up.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
Peeps and we rose deep, flying first class from New York City to Black Street. What you know about me? Now the thing, Cartier wooded frame sported by my shorty. As for me, icy gleaming pinky diamond ring. We bees the baddest click up on this scene. Ain't you getting bored with these fake broads? Hot shows and proves, no doubt. I've been thinking so. Please excuse if I come across rude. That's just me, and that's how a player's got to be. Stay kicking game with a capital G. Ask the peoples on my block, I'm as real as can be. Word is born, faking moves never been my thing. So Teddy, pass the word to your me and Chauncey. I'll be sending a call and say around 3:30.
I did mine in my Jeep. What's back there? Nothing. Just hopes and dreams. Look at that. All that sad, empty sadness back there.
All the pieces in my garage.
Sad. Oh, it's just empty sadness. That's all you have is empty sadness with cool wheels.
For 2 weeks.
Oh, and what's that? Are you planting? Are you growing something there?
Something.
Yeah. But it's coming around. It's coming around. God, SPL, baby. Y'all check that out. That French dance, that looks good. That looks really good. Guys, we're out here. This is the Savage Sound. This is a little meetup. Not a show, just a meetup. Bunch of us crazy people with the same crazy mentality, doing the same crazy things. Got the old Rockville Punishers in there. Those things been around the block and it still hits hard. Jamming hard. This fool here has turned a tool truck into a hell of a situation. You got two separate stereo systems, this one back here and the one on the inside. Don't get that wind going, man. I want to see that beard fly around like Santa Claus.
Ain't gonna do it in here.
No. You got the Rockford going on back there, baby. We're just catching everybody with their shit all messed up. What you got? What do you got? They don't even know I'm coming. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. So here we are back at this truck. I stopped here for a minute ago. What's back here? Two what 18?
Two B2.
Oh, B2s.
Rampage Elites, I think it's.
Oh, that's a nice setup.
B2 Rage.
You gonna put your beard in the window? You play
my beard.
You play Lowe's?
Fucking Eastside boy. Okay. Pastor Troy. Yeah. We represent for everybody. Everybody. All the real niggas in America. Where you at or where the fuck you from? We represent for y'all. We represent for GA. Nap time.
How we do it. Check out that little custom switch put on up there. Little bass knob. It's jamming on, baby. We're just gonna keep moving down the line. I don't know how many I'm gonna be able to peek into. Nope, he got it all sealed up. Ain't nobody looking at my stuff. All right, what's going on in here? Ooh, yeah, baby. You know what's up. Got a little something back there in the back. I guarantee you the other thing's loud too. Got the fan going. Fan going. Team Savage Sounds, baby. My favorite demo track. I like this one because it goes so much high and low. This other track is mostly low. You'll recognize this song. Uh-oh. 160's here. What you up to?
Not much, Gary. How you doing?
You missed out on the dinner, man. The lunch brunch dinner.
Oh, yeah?
Lunch brunch dinner, yeah, that was good. The waiting was long, but the food was amazing.
Your ears would start flapping up in there.
Yeah. That's when you put a sub in a fish tank, this is what happens. All the fish leave.
Yeah, I mean,